Okay, you can. There we go. Nice. And now go down slowly.
Oops.
That's okay. If he's interested, you can click. Reward that. Now bring your hand towards you slowly, slowly. Okay. Down between his paws almost, so that he almost backs up. It's kind of counterintuitive. Do you see his body now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, keep it. There we go. Nice. There you go. You kind of set him up there by going into his paws, so that he kind of scrunches down, and then you're straightening him up slowly but surely. Now bring your hands away when he looks up. Click. Nice. And reward on the mat. Wait again. Perfect. Very nice. That's so good. Nice. Very nice. Come down slowly between his paws, kind of, until he kind of crouches. There we go. He's kind of there now. Perfect. He's going to go down. There we go. Very nice. Wait for him to look up. Perfect. Nice. Even though he was distracted, he still looked back at you. That was great. Just ignore that. When he looks, there, click. Reward him for that, because he disassociated from the distraction.